Mice is waiting for me. I don't like keep coming back here while we clean this unit here because it's just back and forth. Forget the keys, we have to go upstairs. And here's my husband, and we have to park all the way over there. And then we're gonna come back again and park. Welcome back everyone to my channel. So we're driving today here, downtown Los Angeles, 7th Street. We are working today here. So I'd like to share with you what's new here while we're driving. And you will see more homeless people here on the streets. As you all know that Los Angeles, nothing but homeless people. Wherever you go, you will see homeless people on the streets. So this is 7th Street here in Los Angeles. So while we're driving today, guys, all the way here, we saw the city, you know, the truck, they're cleaning up some homeless tents. And I don't know if we're gonna clean up their tents or just clean up their trash. So I have the short clip of that, so I would like to add to this video. And I didn't see any homeless here in the street yet, but we will see later. And right over there, guys, that's Louis restaurant. We eat there before once, right, with our friends, and that was before pandemic. And this restaurant right here, Louis, is always packs a lot of people eating there, but I don't know about now if they're still busy because of the pandemic. And again, people still wearing masks. I guess some of them wearing masks, and they have a lot of nice pastries inside the restaurant. It's a little bit expensive too, right? But yeah, they have a lot of pastry desserts, very nice. So we're driving again here, downtown Los Angeles. And there's a Filipino restaurant right over there named Piso. I think I vlogged there once before. I don't know if you watched the video, but that was in here around the jewelry district. So if you want to visit Piso restaurant here, downtown Los Angeles, you can come here just around the block here of the jewelry streets. Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, just behind us. You can see. Oh, well, you see this jewelry theater center is just right here. This area right here, guys. See all the jewelry right there. Yep. We just arrived in our destinations. As you can see, we are always here at the SB apartments because we have to clean one of the unit here, guys. So I'll see you guys later. So I'm here inside the elevator, guys. I have to bring my linens for the unit here at SB apartment. So we have to make the sofa bed today for the guests to check in later today. Please see if they're still here. I'm gonna hello? Hello? Okay, so they already check out. Let's put our stuff inside. And I have to go back downstairs because my son's parking. And we're gonna come up here and do all the work. And then I'll see you guys later. Okay, I'm waiting for my elevator. The elevator is busy. Mice is waiting for me. I don't like keep coming back here while we clean this unit here because it's just back and forth. Forget the keys, we have to go upstairs. And here's my husband, and we have to park all the way over there. and then we're gonna come back again and park. That's a lot of work coming back and forth and to drop off the bag, and I forget the key, and we have to park across the streets far away. Ay, ay, ay. All right guys, see you guys later. And this is the alley of Isby Alley, and sometimes people here, it's a lot of homeless sleeping on this alley here, and then they clean up the trash and they keep coming back and just trash the place again. So what we do, and we have to park all the way right there guys and come back to SB, and it's just a lot of back and forth. So this is our view here on top of the building, and the SB is right over there, so we're gonna go back over there and clean up the units. So we're gonna get our stuff, our cleaning supply out of the car. My husband's already got it, so I'm not gonna vlog all the way, but this is what we do guys here in Los Angeles. So I hope you enjoy I hope you like the video guys. What's going on? So stay tuned guys, I see you guys around. Walking back to SB apartments. Where are you going? My husband don't want to be in my vlog. So yep, every time we come here guys and work, this is where we're gonna park. This is the parking lot. Mary's vlog. Alright guys, there's the couch here, probably the homeless are gonna use that to sleep on. And that's SB apartment across Caesar Hotel. And every time we come here, this is where we park. We park over there in the building and walk back over here every time. So there's a lot of trash laying around here, and today is not too bad. There's no homeless sleeping here, but one time we come here, it's just like homeless sleeping here and do some drugs, whatever they're doing. That's the guy right there is homeless. And also, while you're walking in the alley, you saw a lot of poop. I don't know if it's from the dog poop or human poop. It's just so dirty, like everywhere in the streets right in the corner, like so many poop. And today, the parking guys is here. Giving parking ticket. Once we get a parking ticket here, and then when we come back, the guy just gave us tickets. Alright guys, we're still walking. Ew! Everywhere there's a poop here. So this is what we clean today, is the apartment. So this is the lobby of SB apartment. We're back again. We're back again inside. And we're here. Open. Alright guys, we're back. We're back in the unit. Smell like weed. We're back in the unit, guys. Alright, so this is, we're gonna clean this place today. And after this, we're going to Hollywood to clean one of the Airbnb unit, and then back to Burbank. We clean one Airbnb also in Burbank, close to our place. And look, this is your neighbors, guys. Let's see if we can go inside. Okay. This is their lobby. See if we can go in outside. Oh, there's a big clock in here. So the neighbors right here. Look at this building, so high. And this is their patio. You actually can put furnitures in here if you live here. This is like a big loft here at SB Apartments. But let's go back inside. But there's a lot of big dogs here in this apartment. Alright guys, so let's do this. We're gonna start cleaning so that we'll be finished quickly here and drive to Hollywood. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day to all, and I see you guys next time. Bye.